Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the measurement tool on Google Earth. First things first, you're going to head over to earth.google.com and you're going to tap this tools section right over here on the top corner. Then you're going to tap measurement, and then you're going to select a starting point, let's say this one, and you're going to go to the next to the next crosswalk. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it's done, and it is 154 meters long. You can use this measurement tool to measure other street points as well. You can just go ahead and just make another. Yeah, you can just make shapes and all that stuff. Yeah, so basically that's for this video, guys, and see you in the next one.